today's video, we're making Elk Chili Colorado, and you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's get to cooking. We are cooking Elk Chili Colorado on the Weber. But while we wait for this, let's go inside and get the prep. My wife's helping out on this one. She's doing all the prep. So this is all of the stuff. Look at these beautiful elk tenderloins. That's what I'm talking about. Let me show you what we got going over here. These are our chilies. We got guajillo and ancho. I've already taken the stems off, de-seeded them as best as possible. Geez, that stuff's like tar in there. We got the water boiling. This is what we're gonna steam them in. And then we got backups just in case we need it. Oh, and by the way, this is a shameless plug. If you've never tried this stuff, a little bit of vodka in there. Thank me later. All right, so we got my water boiling. Now I'm gonna steep it. Guajillo, ancho, in the, oh, no, you didn't see that. All right, back in the game. Grab the boiling water, stand back, and dump them over the chilies. Like an old pro. Boom. Now, we let this set for 30 minutes, no matter what. Lid on. Bye. So now, we're gonna cube up our elk meat. I got the Weber going. We're gonna dust it up in flour, take it out there, sear it in the brand new cast iron pot, by the way. And dude, this is gonna be good. So let's get this elk cut up. Now, there is a little bit of silver skin on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. This knife is sharp. It already got me a minute ago. Nice little 1-inch cubes. This is gonna be some amazing elk tenderloin. So we're just gonna lightly roll these in flour. Throw them over here. I found a quicker, easier way. Look at that. Knocking them out now. Let's get this chili paste made. So we got about 15 minutes left on the timer for steeping the chilies, steaming the chilies, steeping the chilies, whatever you want to call it. I got my Weber going, and I want to show you exactly how we are going to cook this. This is a live fire technique. It just so happens to be on a Weber. If you was out cooking on a live fire cooking table, or even over a campfire or whatever, same method. This just has a lid. It helps us contain the heat and cook a little faster, but you know, it's all the same. So let me show you how I have it set up. We are running indirect. You put the pot right here, and then I can move it over the heat or back away from the heat as I see necessary. And this is how I control the boil on it. Once it starts boiling, I can just start moving it slowly this way, and that's how I get to a simmer. Over the fire, rip and boil. And you'll probably burn the bottom of it, so you want to, if you're going to put anything directly over the fire, especially in cast iron, make sure you are paying attention. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Chilies are looking amazing. That's what I'm talking about. But 1 cup of beef broth. Now we puree. Now, you can strain it here too. A lot of people do strain it. Skin doesn't bother me. In my excitement, I got a little carried away, and I forgot to put the onions in. This is a medium onion. Garlic, black pepper, cumano, and Mexican oregano. We blend for like the 30th time. Way better. Way better. I was like, man, there's something not right. That tastes way different than the first time, way better. You can taste the onions, you can taste the garlic, you can taste all the spices, but we are needing some more, and I'm going to use some SPG. Just a little bit. If you're doing this right, you're always seasoning and tasting. Or tasting and seasoning as you go. So
Plus there's no seasoning on the meat, right?
yeah, there is seasoning on the meat, but I always try to season each aspect of the recipe for itself. So I don't want this too salty, and I'll get the meat the right consistency, and that's how it all blends together. Boom, right there. That's beautiful. This is gonna be so damn good. This is gonna be so good. All right, let's go brown the meat. All right, so we have our Weber up to temp. Now we are adding cast iron, and I'm going directly over the flame. I got some vegetable oil. Not too much. A couple tablespoons, I'm sorry. Let this heat up. So now we start frying it up. You don't want to crowd this pasta. Cow cover, coarse hot. That smells good. You can eat it right now.
Like blisters on your tongue.
Alright, a little bit more oil. Get the cow cover hot out of my eyes. That wind picked up. Jesus Christ. Get the oil hot.
Just get the paint.
I think I need to. Now, all those little bits in the bottom, this is why we're taking it out. Because a lot of people, you can fry them in there and then leave them in there, but we're going to pull them out, and then we're going to deglaze the bottom of that with a little bit of beef stock. This time I'm going to season it up from this side before it gets too ripping hot. I'm going to take a little bite. Is there a little one? There's a little dude right there. Oh, Matt, you want to bite? Good, good. I'm going to scrub the bottom of this with a little bit of beef broth just to deglaze it. That's like a half a cup. I'm working it. Gotta get all them little crusty bits up off there. Boom. Okay. Now, let's get the meat back in and pour wafers. Now, go in with the chili paste. Now I'm going to put it directly over the fire just to heat up the chili paste with my hands. But then I'm going to move it indirect. And then I'll keep turning it. Look at this. I mean, come on. Boom. Oh, that looks amazing. All right, we got her bubbling. Now we scoot her over. All right, so it's been in here about 45 minutes and it smells absolutely freaking delicious. It's going to take a while for that meat to fall apart tender, but we are well on our way. I absolutely love cooking on these Webers. They're just so versatile. Slide that baby all the way over to that side. Lid on. All right, so my plan with this is refried beans, rice, some tortillas. I wish I had some lime, but I'm like 15 miles from town and there's no way I'm driving for a lime. But that's my plan. I may even sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. This is gonna be so damn good. This is looking freaking amazing. Now, I'm gonna pull a piece out and test it. Elk meat, the tenderloin, you're probably not gonna go 2 hours. I'm right at about an hour and 15 and it's already fork tender, so let's taste it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is so good. Oh my God. I'm gonna go make some rice, some beans. We're gonna get this plated up. Cheese melting. This smells wonderful. This is absolutely fantastic. Just like that, she's done. I say just like that. It's probably been about a total of 2.5 hours now, but now is when we dig in. Tortillas. I got some salsa, the old 6-shooter. This is how I like to eat it. You eat it however you like to eat it, but I like to just grab like one dude right there. Look at that. Oh my God. That is the best chili Colorado I've ever had in my life. And it's with elk meat. It's not gamey. I love elk meat. The reason why this cooks so quick is because it was tenderloin. So use chuck or something like that, it's gonna take a little bit longer, but this is phenomenal. Here, let's get a little sauce on it. Just a little bit. I could eat that every day. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print it off. You're going to want to print this one off. Make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. I'm going to smash this whole freaking plate. I'm not leaving any of that. It's all coming out.